It's the hardest conversation you'll ever have. The one where you have to gently dismantle a life you spent years, perhaps decades, building with another person. Ending a long-term relationship isn't just a breakup, it's a seismic shift, a total rerouting of your history, your routine, and your future expectations. And if you're listening to this, you're either standing on that precipice or you've just taken that terrifying first step off. You deserve grace for being here. The weight of the shared memories, the joint friends, the familiar routines, it all holds you down, doesn't it? The fear whispers, what if I made a mistake? What if I can't be alone? We often cling to comfort, even if that comfort has become corrosive, because the unknown feels so much scarier than the known pain. But think of this. The courage it takes to look at something that feels like home and admit that it's no longer healthy is the single greatest act of self-loyalty you will ever perform. This is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of your garanti. This phase, messy and raw as it is your chance to cultivate a life that is truly, deeply yours, unburdened by obligations that were no longer serving your true self. To move through this successfully, you need a framework for rebuilding. And here is that framework, letter by letter. G is for give yourself grace. Stop running the highlight reel of all the things you think you did wrong. You are human. You loved deeply, and you learned even deeper. Be kind to yourself. You are not failing. You are transforming. R is for reclaim your space. This means physical space, emotional space, and mental space. Redecorate a room. Find a hobby your partner never enjoyed. Create boundaries with mutual friends. Fill the empty moments with things that you genuinely love. O is for open up to change. Your routine is gone. Great. That means every single day is a blank page waiting for you to write something new. Go to a coffee shop you've never been to. Take a different route home. Embrace the small, unfamiliar shifts because they prepare you for the big ones. Dadu is for weigh your future needs. What did you neglect in the relationship? Your career? Your health? Your creativity? Use this time as a ruthless audit of your life. Set powerful, single-minded goals based on what you need, not what someone else expected of you. T is for trust the process. Healing isn't linear. There will be good days and absolutely terrible days where you just want to call them. That's okay. When those moments hit, remember the G and give yourself grace. Every wave passes. Keep showing up for yourself. H is for honor your decision. You made this choice because something fundamental was missing or broken. Don't romanticize the past through the lens of loneliness. Hold on to the core truth that led you to this path. This path, though steep, leads to your most authentic self. You are entering a period of profound self-discovery. The $300,000 question isn't how you survived the breakup, it's who you become because of it. Step into that freedom. The life you're meant to live is waiting for you on the other side of this fear.